Here's a heads up on 6 everyday foods that could be wrecking your health. You won't believe what's at number 6. Processed meats. Ever wonder why those deli slices last so long? It's all those chemicals. From preservatives to dyes, they're more lab experiment than lunch. Canned foods. They're super convenient, right? But watch out for bisphenol A. This nasty chemical can sneak into your food from the can lining and mess with your hormones. Refined flour. Those soft breads and pastries might look tempting, but manufacturers often use additives like potassium bromate and benzoyl peroxide to process the flour. Not so tasty after all. Commercial fruit juices. They shout 100% real juice on the label, but often they're packed with extra sugar, dyes, and preservatives. Less fruit, more fake. Soft drinks. That fizzy refreshment comes with a side of CO2, artificial sweeteners, and acids. It's basically a chemical cocktail over ice. Chips. Can't stop at one? Maybe it's the ascorbic acid, sodium bisulfite, and other preservatives they toss in that keep you munching. And don't get me started on fast food. Trans fats, salt, and more dyes than a coloring book. Are you still going to consume these foods? Drop a comment below and follow for more insights.